Another Keebio build for the latest in aluminum. Let's get started. Step 1. Inspect and test parts. Check for any issues and that you have all your parts. Each of the Iris Aluminum SE trays come with a small pouch of 2 spare feet and screws should you need them. Unscrew your switch plate. These were partially assembled for safe travel, so part of the build is a little unbuilding. Check your feet are installed. We check this in-house, but there's just 3 humans, sometimes a 4th, doing the checks. Connect your PCB halves and make sure the LEDs are working. Contact us if any of them flicker. We can get you fixed up. If you want a rotary encoder or 2U stabilizer on your Iris, jump to this other video. These are options, but if you want these options, this is the moment to tackle that addition. Step 2, add switches. We're going to do a small bit of prep before we formally put them in, but in order to add your switches, prep your assembly. Overlay the silicon support on the PCB. Be sure to line it up. Add your switch plate on top of your support. Be careful of bent switch pins. Give a glance to your switch legs before inserting into the PCB. Now install your switches. Make sure that they sit flush against the top of the switch plate. Step 3, assemble your case. Almost to the end. Place your silicone tray insert support into the bottom of your aluminum tray. This keeps your hot swap supported. Place PCB complete with all your switches into the tray. Screw down your assembly, but remember, do not over tighten. Only screw down just enough so it is secure. Step 4, add your keycaps. Thanks for joining us for another tutorial. This is Kayla signing off from Keebio. See you next time.